Hi, this is Jim's Vintage Collectibles with a neat tin wind-up toy. It's an Elgin street sweeper. It's made by Nylint. You can see the markings, Nylint toys. It's a neat little toy. It's got this little brush on the bottom here that'll spin as it is operating, and this little brush on the side also spins. To wind it up, it's got a little lever here. Just make sure that's over on stop, and then just give it a little wind. I won't wind it all the way up, but then you just flip that to go. And let's see it just drive along. It is missing. There's supposed to be a driver seated on there, and it's got some scratches and what have you, but nothing too serious. This piece actually sold already, but I do have quite a few other unique tin wind-ups on eBay. You can check out my link to my eBay store in the video description. Thanks for watching.